This quick video is about how to edit your WhatsApp group name on iPhone. Okay, let's see that. First open WhatsApp, then open the group you want to edit. Now click here. Now tap edit. And here you can easily change your group name. Let's type DD 2022. Once you changed your name, then tap done. That's it. Now it's completely changed. Likewise, you can change or edit your WhatsApp group name. And if you want to know more tips and tricks about WhatsApp mates, watch this playlist. I hope this video helps. If it really helps, means leave a like and share this video with your friends and neighbors. Thanks for watching.